Renewable energy company Suzlon Energy has emerged to be mutual funds' favorite in the month of August, with their holding in the company surging by a whopping 357% on a month-on-month basis. The fund houses have in fact added over 50 crore shares of Suzlon last month, taking their overall holding to 64.7 crore shares. Remember, the number of these shares held by mutual funds in the month of July was only at 14.09 crores, and this is according to the data sourced from ACE Mutual Funds. Also, the shares of Suzlon Energy have surged over 130% so far in 2023, making the wind turbine manufacturer rank among the top performers on the Nifty 500 index in this entire period. Remember, the recent rally has also brought the stock to the notice of multiple analysts on the street. JM Financial also recently initiated coverage on the stock with a buy recommendation and a price target of 30 rupees by the end of 2024. As many as 64 mutual funds have held Suzlon Energy in their portfolios at the end of August, with the combined market value of their stake at 1,567 crore rupees. Remember, the shareholding data up until August suggests that a sustained buying activity by mutual funds has taken place. From just about 0.08% stake in the March quarter, mutual funds increased their holding to 0.74% for the quarter ended June, and as of August 14, the mutual fund holding stood at 4.98%, which was a 424 basis points jump over the June quarter. And this uptick in the stake of mutual funds really coincides with the multi-bagger returns given by Suzlon Energy stock. Remember, the stock has also given a 176% return in the last 1 year, while returning 190% in the last 6 months alone. Brokerage firm Nuvama, in its August mutual fund report, has mentioned that Suzlon Energy stock has stood among their top additions for mutual funds in the small cap universe. Bandhan Mutual Fund was the top buyer as it picked a stake worth 288 crore rupees to bring the holding in the stock to 4.4%. Meanwhile, the stock was also among the key additions by Edelweiss Mutual Fund, which also bought shares worth about 84 crore rupees. Now, Suzlon Energy stock was also a new entrant in the two funds, namely Invesco Mutual Fund and Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund. And while the former bought shares worth 182 crores, the latter purchased a stake worth about 29 crore rupees, and this is as per the Nuvama report. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund and also HDFC Mutual Fund have also listed Suzlon among their fresh buys. Among the other shareholders in the company, the marquee names include IDBI Bank, which has a 1.34% stake in the company. Bank of Baroda also has a 1.11% stake in Suzlon, and also India's largest insurer, LIC, owns about a 1.03% stake in Suzlon. Remember, Suzlon also has a foreign shareholding, with BNP Paribas Arbitrage having a 1.03% stake as of June. Remember, these shares have more than doubled investors' money in 2023, rising 130%. In the last 12 months, these returns have actually more than doubled, in fact, quadrupled over 200% or so. However, investors must also remember that Suzlon has also been a big wealth destroyer in the past. The stock is still nearly 90% below its all-time high levels, which was well above the 300 rupee mark that it had hit back in 2007 before the global financial crisis had hit. And therefore, it is very important for you to check with your financial investors before investing in such stocks which have a wild volatility that has seen in the past.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.